In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Card Editor in beehiiv if you want to customize the way your postcards appear on your beehiiv website. This process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your dashboard without any confusion. To begin, go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click Website. This will take you to the area where you manage the design and layout of your site. If you're new to this section, just know that this is where you control how visitors see different parts of your publication online. Once you're there, look to the top right and click Edit Website. This opens the website editor where you can add, arrange, and customize the components that appear on your page. Give it a moment to load if needed and make sure you're in the correct editing view before moving on. Next, go to the top left of the website editor and click the plus icon. This is where you can add a new component to your page. When the component options appear, find the Post Content block, then drag and drop it into the area where you want it to appear on the page. This block is used to display your posts in a card-based format, which makes it especially useful if you want a clean, organized way to showcase content. After placing the Post Content block, click on it so it becomes selected. Once selected, you'll see its settings and properties appear on the right side panel. This side panel is where most of your customization options will live, so it's worth getting familiar with it. In that panel, click Edit Postcard. This opens the Card Editor, which is where you can control how the cards inside that Post Content block look. Depending on what options are available in your layout, you may be able to adjust things like visual styling, spacing, or how information is displayed. Take your time here and make the changes that best match the look and feel of your website. As you update the card design, it's a good idea to keep an eye on the preview so you can see how your changes affect the overall layout. Small adjustments can make a big difference in readability and presentation. Once you've made your changes, you're done. That's how you use the card editor in beehiiv to customize the appearance of postcards on your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.